If you have a frozen pipe and it burst, shut the water off now. Pause the video, go shut it off, come back here, then I'll teach you how to fix it. All right, what's up guys? I'm Brent Ridley with H&M Services. I'm a journeyman plumber with over 10 years experience in the plumbing field. I want to tell you guys, so the winter months are coming. That means frozen pipes and busted pipes. When a pipe freezes, unfortunately, it forms ice, and that ice takes up more volume than the water, and it's got to go somewhere, so it bursts the pipe most of the time. It doesn't quite look like this because this is a mock-up in the warehouse. Unfortunately, sometimes it'll split down the side and kind of peel open like a banana. But we're going to show you a few ways to repair it with SharkBite fittings. So we have our simulated leak here, frozen pipe per se. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut it out, but we're going to make sure we cut it far enough back from our leak to make sure we got good integrity on the pipe, to make sure it's going to last us a long time. So we're going to put our copper cutter on there. We're going to cut one side out. That hole's there. So we're going to come back here a little bit so we're good, got a good pipe. So now here's our bad section of pipe. We're going to take that out of the way. We're going to deburr and mark the insertion depth for our SharkBite Max fittings. As you can see on the Deburr here, you have a longer section and a shorter section. The shorter section is for the first gen, the longer section is for the SharkBite Max. So we're using SharkBite Max today, so we're going to mark it at the longer section. Now we're going to do our other side of the pipe. We're going to use two SharkBite couplings. The way I like to do it is I'm going to push one all the way in here on my copper, so we're good on that side. Now I'm going to push one all the way good to my point on this side, so we're good. Now we have a piece of PEX here. This is SharkBite PEX. Nice and pliable, so you can put it in between the copper pieces if they don't want to move. Deburr the PEX pipe and mark it. There we go. So now we're going to push it into our SharkBite Max to our insertion depth. There we go. Now both of them were inserted all the way. We're good to go. Now we made a healthy repair. Okay, let me show you guys another way to repair the pipe using a SharkBite Max slip coupling. So give me a minute. Let me go mock up another piece of busted pipe and we'll be right back. All right guys, so I got our simulated busted pipe here. What we're going to do is we're going to use the SharkBite Max slip coupling. What's great about this is we can take up to 3 inches of pipe out and just use this one fitting. So let's go ahead and cut out our busted pipe. Okay, there's that side. Okay, so we're going to get ready to use our slip coupling. Obviously, it is notated here that we have a slip end and a regular end. It has the writing here, but then it has a notch here on the non-slip end. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and deburr both sides of the pipe, but we want to make sure to only mark the non-slip side. So that would be this side here. This is what we're going to call non-slip. This side here, we're going to deburr, but we're not going to mark it. There we go, nice and deburred. Okay, so what you do, you push your slip end all the way on as far as it'll go. So there, it stopped. So now we got to push it back this way. So we're going to need to use our clip, or we can use the removal tool. I'm going to use the clip. It comes with it. This seems a little easier for me to do it like this. There we go. We pushed it all the way to our insertion depth. Now we have made a repair with the SharkBite Max slip coupling. Once you've made your repair, it's super important, guys. Don't forget to turn the water back on. And then obviously go bleed out any air that may got in the lines. It may spit and sputter for a minute, but that's okay. Then obviously come back down here, check for your leaks. Make sure your fitting is not leaking. At that point, if you have no leaks, you're good to go. It's that easy. You saw what it took to repair with a SharkBite Max couplings or a SharkBite slip couplings. Either one of them were super easy, and I know you can do it. Good luck to you guys out there. I hope you don't have any busted pipes, but if you do, SharkBite Max has you covered.